YouTube? It's this is gonna be my third attempt at this video. First time, my dad calling me to take him somewhere. I gotta go get new garbage pails. Second time, someone walked downstairs again and they were shredding paper and it was kind of loud, so I just stopped the camera. Hopefully this will go. Okay, this is gonna be an EDC update. Today is March 12th, 2011. Can't fucking talk. Let me start with emptying my pockets out. Pill case and Zippo. Wallet. Phone. Watch. That just hit my phone. Paracord bracelet. And the blade for today is my Shark Nero. And then keys. Okay. Okay. Wallet hasn't changed. Watch same as the last video. Phone same as the last video. This is new pill case. I carry Zyrtec and Advil Tylenol. You know, the big ass plastic case. We got like 6 cases for $5 or $6. So I took 2. And now I carry my meds with me in case I need them. Black Med Zippo hasn't changed. Well, I was using the Giants when I started favoring it, so I switched it over. Shark Nero. Well, the Shark by Nero. It's a decent blade. I just need to sharpen it once my Gerber pocket sharpener comes in, and it'll be a good EDC blade. It's about, when I do the review on it, you'll see, I'll tell the specs. Just get the little carabiner and also lanyard option. So I got paracord bracelet in blue and black, cobra weave, and my keys, my house keys. I got this key sergeant that has press button, or you can switch it on. A pen, slides like that, it comes all the way out. All sitting on an Aviation 6-inch mechanics keychain. And that is attached to a Swiss quick disconnect from most of the stuff's from Canicom. Well, these 3 things are. That's a Espina clip. Most of you probably know what that is. And this is a very crappy looking paracord lanyard with my car key on the other end. I could have used a split ring instead of looping it through like that, but the split ring made them too bulky. It was like way too long, because they're long as it is already. So now for my EDC for tomorrow, because I'm going into work, I just thought I'd show you that update and just get everything over here. Amen. And okay, this stuff is the same as before. Keys, phone, watch, paracord bracelet except all black, dog tag. I'm gonna be wearing my Spec Ops belt, so I'll have my phone case, wallet, Gerber suspension multi-tool in the pouch. Although I'm probably going to keep this in my jacket. I'm not too sure if I'm going to need it, but I'd rather have it with me just in case. Spyderco Honeybee around my neck on the lanyard. It's really hard to open in one hand, so I'll just leave it closed. Sit down a little split ring with a lanyard I made out of paracord. Refillable Sharpie. Black. Some kind of metal. The pill case, Zippo, and the blade for tomorrow will be Spyderco Tenacious. Love this blade. I'm gonna just polish it up a little bit, sharpen it, hone it a little bit, a little dust, and see if I can. I might take the clip off. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about it. And yeah, that's my EDC for tomorrow in a big gigantic pile. I'm not too sure if I'm going to bring a bag yet. Tomorrow's going to be a weird day. I have brunch at 11. I have to be at work at 1. I'm not too sure how the time's gonna work out, so if it's like 12:30, I'm just gonna hang up at my girlfriend's house for like 15 minutes and leave to go to my school. So I'm probably gonna bring in a duffel bag, a drawstring bag, with my work shirt. With my work shirt in it, I'll keep the Gerber suspension in it, and I think that'll be it for what I bring tomorrow. And actually no, not that one. I'm gonna bring that Senpai. I'm gonna bring my little pocket-sized one. This is my travel one. Blade Kodiak chocolate with a hint of chocolate. Works nice. Then I'm having the car sew glasses, and then I'm getting car in April. I'm gonna start shopping, so I'm gonna have a bailout bag in there. I'm gonna have my emergency car kit. I'm probably gonna throw this blade in there because I don't carry it. It's just too cheap for me to carry. I keep it in the glove compartment. And there goes my phone. So I'll tend to that, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.